In today's video, I'm going to show you GT50 Drone review. The GT50 Drone is a foldable, brushless motor quadcopter that aims to bridge the gap between beginner-friendly toy drones and more capable consumer models. Its key hardware includes optical flow positioning for stable hovering, a dual camera setup with an electrically adjustable front lens, and a bottom optical flow sensor, and 360 degrees. Intelligent obstacle avoidance for smoother, safer flight features that help even novices fly with confidence. The drone's removable battery delivers roughly 1520 minutes of flight time per charge, and it's controlled via a remote with a built-in HD screen or a companion app, offering FPV and simple flight mode controls like headless mode and one-click takeoff, landing. For aerial content, the GT50 touts high-resolution capture, with video modes advertised up to 8K HD on some listings, although real-world performance often looks closer to mid-range results typical of affordable drones. Smart features like trajectory flight, gesture-activated photo, video, and 360-degree stunt rolls add play value, but image quality and stabilization are modest compared with premium drones from established brands. The remote's integrated screen makes FPV easier without relying on a phone, though latency and range vary depending on signal environment. In actual user experience, many reviewers point out mixed quality control and usability. Some buyers report unstable flights, confusing setup apps, and vague instructions, and some online communities warn that cheap versions marketed with impressive specs may look like more expensive drones but not deliver equivalent performance. That's a common issue with inexpensive imports that emulate high-end models without equivalent hardware or software polish. Overall, the GT50 is a fun, affordable drone for casual pilots and beginners, especially if you want basic aerial photography and simple FPV fun. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.